Hi and welcome to M&N's Travels and Adventure channel. We thought we'd do a cabin review in one take again because it was so popular last time. This is our cabin B712 on Oceana and we're in. So first things you notice is it's a balcony cabin. We've got the bed set up in double configuration. We'll do this room first. You can see nice big mirrors, you'll probably see me in them. And we have English plugs as usual on P&O and the kettle of course. But over there, hiding over there, we have a US plug. So if you've got a GoPro like me and you've got a supercharger, then you can charge your GoPros and your equipment on that. Let me know if it doesn't work, but as far as I know it should. And there's another one hiding down there. So as for room facilities, you've got the usual hairdryer, you've got the TV, you have the mini fridge, which I'm just getting down to show you. And we taken things out of our fridge because we don't want them. It leaves room for our own wine and things. There you go. And we're going to do the bathroom quickly and then we'll go out onto the balcony. So the thing we like about this room is not the bathroom, ironically enough. The shower curtain is something we don't particularly like. Bathroom is very, very small. It's easily the smallest of any of the ships. Obviously we got the loo, you need one of those. And you've got a mirror, nice tiling around the mirror, nice feature, and a shaver socket there. I'll just close that and show you the storage. We have wardrobe there with a shelf above, wonky shelf above, and wardrobe space a la there, and shoes. And a full length mirror there for the ladies with their evening gowns. It's formal night tonight, so life jacket storage, safe, and more clothes storage, including these brilliant, oh, I shouldn't have done that really, these brilliant retro things that the wife is using for underwear. Right, here we go, we're going out onto the balcony. I think I've just locked it, nope, and I've now unlocked it. So out here, these balconies are really quite generous in size, and basically it's just a nice balcony. It's an old-fashioned balcony, not a glass one like you get on a lot of the modern ships, but in some ways it just feels more spacious. You feel a bit more shelter from the wind here as well than what you do with a glass one for some reason. I'm not sure what that is. And I'll just show you the views. So we're at sea today and we're heading towards Montenegro. So that's pretty much it from me. Thanks very much for your time. Bye bye.